Today is Singapore, August 6, 2019, Wednesday. I'm making a video of this very young morning glories. They are about 1.5 centimeter in diameter. Normally we see the big ones, but in this case I get to see all the small ones, as if in a nursery, all growing up together, similar size and shapes, and not one old one. These are morning glories. As you can see, they are the younger ones. There are at least a few hundreds of them. Now you're going to see the big ones. The big ones are normally very big and prominent, as you can see from here. And most of us don't see the small ones because they are not so noticeable, but you can see the big ones and the colors and the size. So these are the big ones, at least 5 centimeters across. They grow wild. Up the trees, on the ground, and it's hard to miss them. This looks like a Singapore variety. Overseas there might be bigger ones, but these are the common types seen in Singapore in the wild. There you see one here. Looks like a climber up there. So these are morning glory flowers, and this area is Yio Chu Kang Crescent, Singapore. Now, if you see carefully, these are the fresh ones. They have not withered. They're in shape and size. Those which are older may have holes in them. I shall show you one. Now these are probably young ones, just blossomed recently. Now you can see many of them wither, and this one has holes. How do they get the holes? I really don't know, but I can see this is another one, probably due to aging, and the normal one is this. Probably they have fruited and they drop onto the soil to germinate. I shall stop now. This is a video on morning glories in Singapore, growing in the wild. Today is August 6, 2019, Wednesday, Singapore.